Hello, this is Ryan on Pool Rescuers. We're going to get this customer taken care of, get his pool ready for summer. We're going to break this job down in 3 different groups. We're going to do the foundation, drain the pool, clean up the walls, tile cleaning, and seal the tile, and then go ahead and refill the pool. Then we're going to do the repairs, fix the shaft seal on the pump, do a little bit of plumbing, and clean the filter. And then the third replace, we're going to replace the salt cell, 3 lights, and the pop-up gears. Check it out.
All right, we have a 31 CFM air compressor here with a 13 horsepower motor. Directly off the compressor, we have 75 PSI coming off. When you get to the pool, we drop that down to about 30 PSI, all the way up to 40 if we need it, depending on how thick the calcium is. As the air is compressed, moisture condensates, so we have an air dryer over there as well. You'll see it running through there. We'll drop the pressure down to about 30, like I said, then it goes into the hopper. That's where we have our glass media. Depending on what you're shooting, you can use glass media for most tile, but if you have glass tile, you'll probably want to use a different type of media that's a little bit lighter, more gentle on the tile. All right, like I said, we have 75 PSI coming down over to here. This little doohickey here is where you can control how much PSI actually goes to the media shooting at the tile. This is the moisture collection system that I was talking about. You have these blue beads that'll collect the moisture, and then they'll actually turn orange to let you know they need to be recycled. Here's what we do: we actually bake these. These are, you can reuse this particular one. So then the air comes through here. This is our hopper. There's a little seal up here. There's a little system to let the air in. Of course, you pull this puppy up. Now it's pressurized. I'll use this to let the media out, and of course the air, and then this is what controls how much media you have coming out. So depending on how much this is open, will control how much media is hitting the tile. So depending on what you're doing, you might want more or less, depending on how gentle you want to be.
Alright guys, we're all done here. We finished all 3 steps, the foundation, we drained the pool, got rid of that water, did the tile cleaning, sealed the tile, refilled and balanced the water out. We did the repairs, we replaced the shaft seal and did the filter cleaning. While we were doing the filter cleaning, we did realize that all the grids were busted up as well as the manifolds, so we went ahead and replaced those. And then we did our replacement. We replaced all 3 lights, the pop-up manifolds, and the salt cell. This pool's in great shape. It's been rescued and ready for the summer. Thank you for watching.